In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact group label. If you email the same set of people again and again, your team, your class, or your family, a contact group label can save you time and prevent mistakes. In Google Contacts, labels are simply names you attach to a set of contacts, and Gmail can use those labels to address a message to everyone in the group at once. Start by opening Google Contacts in your web browser. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a section called Labels. This is where all of your groups live. To make a new one, click the plus icon next to Labels or click the Create Label option you see there. A small box will appear asking for a label name. Type a short, clear name that you'll recognize later, something like Family, Finance Team, or Project Alpha, and then click Save. That's it. Your label now exists, ready to be used across Google. A quick note before we send an email. Labels work best when the contacts you want to reach are already in Google Contacts and associated with that label. If the group doesn't populate later, it usually means the contacts haven't been labeled yet. Now let's use your new group in Gmail. Open Gmail and click Compose to start a new message. In the To field, or in CC or BCE, if that's more appropriate, begin typing the name of your label. As you type, Gmail will show an auto-suggest list. Click the label you just created. Gmail will automatically expand that label into all the email addresses associated with it, so you don't have to add each person one by one. Here are a few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't want recipients to see everyone else on the thread, use the BCC field for the label instead of To. Always glance at the recipient list before you hit send to confirm it contains exactly who you expect. Choose consistent label names so they're easy to remember and avoid overly long names that are hard to type. And if you don't see your new label in Gmail right away, give the page a quick refresh. That's all there is to it. Create the label in Google Contacts and then address emails in Gmail by typing that label's name. Simple, fast, and reliable.